When Christine heard those words, she collapsed to her knees. Her lawyer stepped forward and helped her back to her feet, and after that moment, there was no further visible display of emotion from either sister as the rest of the sentencing was read. The court then ordered the two women to pay legal costs of the trial jointly, and they were given 3 days to appeal the decision. Finally, the judge read the last ruling. The Papin sisters were ordered to pay 1 franc in damages to the civil party, the Lancelin family. And this was strictly symbolic, of course. It was certainly not meant to compensate the Lancelin family financially, but rather a legal acknowledgement of harm. And with that, at 1:15 a.m. on September 30th, the hearing was adjourned and the trial of Christine and Leah Papin had come to an end. After the verdict, Christine said, "Since they are going to cut off my head, they might as well do it right now." And she refused to eat or drink anything since. She is shackled and slumped against the wall by day and straitjacketed by night.